My name is Irene.
And where are you from?
I'm from Fernitz, that's near Graz. I have a family of teachers, so teaching is my background. And when I was 18, I never wanted to become a teacher. I really, everything but know what your parents do. So I wanted to do something useful because I was interested in many things, but I thought, okay, I go and study microbiology and I will go into research and have a career, a female scientist. And then I had more or less the choice, and I also was a musician. I play the recorder. I've been playing for many years, and I was kicked out of the conservatory because I was there too long. So my teacher told me, it's time to finish. Either you go to university, entrance exam at the university, and I got accepted. And then I just found out, okay, that's my life. So I wanted to make music. I wanted to study early music, to be honest. And so I did Instrumental- and Gesangspädagogik, so music teacher as well. And I really enjoyed teaching, and I came to the conclusion after 15 years of teaching that's what I can do really well. And I am a teacher. I love teaching. I never did a teaching just for the money or something. And I never had the experience like I'm the master and I want to tell the kids something about my subject or something. It's more like I'm good at showing people how to acquire knowledge. It's like teaching tricks and methods on how to get as much to your brain as possible. And I don't really care what subject. So it happened to be English because that's the only main subject I'm fairly good at. And it happened to be biology because I have a degree there already. It's like, I have a shelf of teaching music material, and I'm expanding that shelf for teaching English material. So basically the limit is not the subject, the limit is how many shelves can I fit. At the moment, I have the feeling that education, or at least the system, is lacking behind. So it could develop, it could craft humans, you could say.
Yeah.
But at the moment, we're just stuck in an old system, and we're just trying to catch up with things that change, and we need to adapt to. And we're still stuck in a society from 100 years ago, and we don't need robots or something. So we need creative people, and that's not what our educational system at the moment is providing. But for example, I know if I come with high heels to class, I get all the girls on my side. Maybe some boys, but they don't tell. So I get all the girls on my side. And if I come with my motorcycle, I get most of the boys on my side and some girls too. And of course, everyone can try the helmet. But just from experience, I know how to get the girls on my side, how to get the boys on my side. But I would say the variety within one of those groups is larger or bigger than the variety between the groups. So you have to have like a lot of people to make this is typical girl, this is typical boy. And if you look at each individual, you won't get the different groups. I reject that term. I think that's not the right mindset. Because if I want to make something more inclusive, that says it is exclusive.
Okay.
And that's always saying, okay, there's one inside and there's one outside. And we can expand the inside, but there's always going to be something outside. So I would say it's not about including. The mindset is I have to reach everyone in their place and their needs, what it is. And so I'm not including something because they're there. And that's the group. And I get like kids with special needs and say, can they be part of the group? Or can they join the class, music class? It's like, it's not a question of can they join. It's they join and I have to adapt my teaching. If there's a kid that is in a wheelchair, then we can do dances which don't integrate that wheelchair in one way or another. It's not, and can they participate? We accept it, we work with it, we use the resources, we see it as something positive. it's not so. It should get back to there is no standard as an individual.